guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what time it is if y'all can tell by the title. Yes, I'm looking like a rag, but it's because we finna get to work. Thank ya. We finna do her Donna. If y'all been following my room decor series, and I know I'm probably yelling right now, but I know that fan loud as fuck and I'm hot. But if y'all been following my room decor series, I'm super excited about it. 2 pieces of furniture did in fact come yesterday, so now I have to go put them up. We're gonna be organizing my vanity, getting my room together, removing some items from my room and stuff like that right there. So just stay tuned. Y'all already know what time it is, y'all. Like, I'm super excited to be redecorating my whole house insanely. Like, I'm just gonna just keep going. I want to just redecorate my whole house. Like, stuff that I need to decorate. My son's room is probably going to be next, and then I'm going to do the living room and water bathroom, and then I'm going to do the living room. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know, I'm excited for this new chapter that I'm in. I don't know if I'm tripping or what. I feel old, but yeah, y'all, so make sure y'all continue to subscribe. More vlogs coming. Me and my son is going to be going fall shopping, like fall decor shopping, and we're going to be going like fall clothing shopping as well, so look out for those videos. More vlogs coming soon. I just gotta keep pushing out the content. I'm recording the content, but I'm not editing it and I'm not putting it up. Like, it's really pissing me off. But yeah, so we're gonna go in here and we're gonna put these dresses together, and we're gonna move some stuff around in my room. And yeah, we're gonna give, like, I guess not the final, but the semi-final. It's probably like maybe 75% done. After I put those 2 dresses together, it's going to be 75% done. I'm going to have like 25% more to be do. So yeah. Y'all, so this is the finished product of my little dresser I put together. It took me all day, literally. I actually don't like it. I'm not going to give this like a great review, because like no matter what I do, it's hard to like open. It makes this like, it's like a, well, it's doing a little better now, but see, like, you see that? I don't like that. Like, I just need to open it. I don't need it to be doing all that. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy or whatever. I like it. This just gonna be for, you know what I'm saying, y'all gonna see what it's for when I'm done with it or whatever. And yeah, so I have to do the rest of the stuff, move the rest of the stuff in my room. But right now, I'm gonna take a break because the bitch is tired. Alright guys, it's the next day, and y'all can see I already got everything laid out for my nightstand or whatever, and I am prepared to put it up. I know it's kind of loud in here because I got my fan on or whatever. I have to have a fan on because I be hot doing these activities or whatever, but it seems like it's not going to take me that long, so let me get started before I get blowed or whatever. Y'all already know what time it is. I already done ate and some more shit. I already done did my little dizzle, and yeah, I'm gonna get it too hot, ho. So after this, I'm gonna have to clear out my room, clear out this corner, and clear out this, and you know what I'm saying, I might have time to organize my vanity today, or I might save that for tomorrow. I forgot I am free tomorrow morning, so I might organize my vanity tomorrow with you guys, and then, you know, make that a separate video. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm excited. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I never finished that motherfucking video. I don't even know why I never finished it. Like, I'm irritated. Y'all see me looking like a fucking rag. But y'all, that is the vanity that I put up. Y'all remember that for that video. And that is the dresser that I end up putting up. I want to show y'all my nightstand. Hold on, let me close it up. Let me clear it up real quick. This is the nightstand I actually put up as well, guys. So I put up all three of those things by myself, and I forgot to literally, I was so tired, I forgot to end the video. Like, what the hell? So yeah, y'all, so stay tuned for this motherfucking room makeover series. As y'all can see, hold on, let me show you guys. Even though my room is a little messy, I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of the update of my room. So the mirror is over here. Y'all see the wallpaper is not finished. I still have some more to put of those down there. I think I got some coming, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think I even ever ordered it. Girl, what was you thinking, girl? I had a free coupon and everything, girl. They be sending me a whole bunch of free shit. So I did the photos on the wall with the lights, did the wallpaper, got the LED lights around, got my new vanity, got my new dresser right here, and oh yeah, got this new storage ottoman as well, which was very needed. It's junky right now, guys. I have a lot of packages and clothes to try on and stuff and videos to do. Bada boom. And y'all know I already got my new bed. So yeah, my room is coming around. Oh yeah, I got my one of my neon signs came that I'm going to be putting on my wall. So this wall, I feel like I'm going to do a collage on this whole wall. And just like, you know, so if I got my stool here, if I want to make content right here, sit down on my little stool. If I could sit on my ottoman, you know what I'm saying, prop my camera up, and then the background be aesthetically pleasing, you know, with pictures on the wall and stuff, you know, that'll be a key, that'll be tea or whatever. My goal is to have every wall in my room, like, at least, like, some type of aesthetic. So this one was the wall portraits, makeup thing, type thing. This is the flower, well, grass wall type thing with the mirrors. I still have to put the butterflies and the flowers on there. I got that. And then around here, I told you guys I want to put flowers and vines around my door, so it give that feel. That came as well. I don't know if it's enough, so I don't want to start putting it up there and then it don't be enough and it be looking undone. I don't know, just like this wallpaper. I should have just said fuck it. But yeah, so that's my box. Oh yeah, and I have to get one more large dresser, and then I'll be done with my room, y'all. Like, what? I'm happy. I'm like truly excited. Like, I really am. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.